Welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English, to speak in today's morning assembly, 25th of August. And first of all, national news. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh reviewed situation in cloud burst hit Chasti village. EC received documents of over 98% electors in Bihar, draft roll process. Relief and rescue operations in full swing in Uttarakhand. IMD issued red alert for extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. DRDO successfully conducted maiden flight test of integrated air defense weapon system. Fiji PM Rabuka began 3-day visit to India. India in position to help lift the world out of slow growth. PM Modi. Now international news. Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov accused West of blocking Ukraine peace talks. Vietnam, China began emergency measures as Typhoon Kajiki strengthened. World leaders extended support as Ukraine marked 34 years of independence. Kilauea volcano in Hawaii erupted with 100 feet lava fountains. Sri Lanka will host International Kite Festival 2025. Now some sports news. Anushka Kumari scored hat-trick as India under-17 women thrashed Bhutan 8-0 in a SAF championship. Aishwarya Pratap Singh Tomar won gold in 50-meter rifle 3 position at Asian Shooting Championship. Archery, Chikita Taniparthi clinched India's maiden individual gold medal in compound under-21 women's category. Cheteshwar Pujara announced retirement from cricket. Now news related to business. FPIs invested 6,207 crore in Indian debt markets in August so far. Postal Department suspended bookings to the US from August 25. And that's all in news. Thank you.